Those of you who have watched our Xiaomi 15 Ultra review probably already know I wasn't particularly satisfied with the 15 Ultra. The upgrades were relatively small and it didn't really have many standout features. However, after personally getting my hands on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, I realized there was a reason why Xiaomi didn't do so well in the 15 Ultra, because all of their effort was poured into the 17 Ultra. As usual, let's start with the unboxing and then talk about what exactly has been upgraded on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Oh, and make sure to check the link down below. This phone is already available on geekwheels.com if you don't want to wait for months. Just like the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, the packaging of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is flatter and longer than before. The accessories inside are exactly the same as the Pro Max: the manual, SIM card pin, a transparent phone case, and a USB A to C cable. Even the charger is the same 100-watt one. That said, it's worth noting that the phone itself only supports up to 90-watt wide charging. When it comes to the optical zoom lens on smartphones, which phone comes to your mind first? Most people would probably think of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV or Mark VI, but from now on, the first phone you should think of is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. That's because its telephoto sensor is more than twice the size of Sony's, and the lens uses 3 glass elements with a Leica APO certification. Even though we haven't taken a large number of sample shots yet, it's safe to say that this telephoto camera is very likely the best optical zoom camera on a smartphone. Initial hands-on impressions show that the zooming is extremely smooth and the image quality looks excellent. And you know what? You can even zoom normally while recording video. This kind of a lossless zoom experience is incredibly satisfying. The 75 to 100mm zoom range may not sound very wide, but for me, it's perfectly fine. The rest of the cameras largely maintain the same level as the 15 Ultra. The ultra-wide camera is still 14mm instead of the annoying 17mm, and the new 1-inch main camera even adds a low-fig technology. Honestly, what more could you ask for? If only the telephoto camera supported optical zoom, I probably wouldn't like the Xiaomi 17 Ultra that much. The real reason I love this phone is because Xiaomi also released a Leica Special Edition. At this point, the hardware differences between smartphones aren't that big anymore. If you want users to buy your phone, you have to give it some kind of a hook, in a positive way. For example, by delivering strong emotional value, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica is exactly that kind of phone. Not only can you finally see the Leica red dot on a Xiaomi phone, but you also get a rotating zoom ring, exclusively Leica engravings on the side frame, and dedicated Leica filters. It's genuinely cool. There are also more accessories than the standard version, such as an extra Leica lens cap, a phone lanyard, and a cleaning cloth. The charging cable is upgraded to a braided one, and the phone case is custom designed so it doesn't block the zoom ring. It also includes magnets and is compatible with the MagSafe accessories. Most importantly, the Leica version only costs about $71 more than the standard version. In my opinion, this is the complete version of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra and is every photography enthusiast's dream phone. It's not just a smartphone, it's more like a pocketable Leica camera with a true optical zoom. We were lucky enough to pre-order this special edition. After using it for a few days, I'll share more details about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica in the full review. The rest of the upgrades are more like a routine. For example, since one camera has been removed, the camera module is slightly smaller, which also reduces the overall thickness. The volume buttons are still circular, not exactly an upgrade, but they do add a bit of freshness. There's still no camera control button on the frame, and the photography kit still doesn't include a teleconverter. As expected, the processor has been upgraded to the Snapdragon 880 Gen 5. Since the Xiaomi 17 Ultra was released earlier, you don't need to worry about the chipset becoming outdated within half a year at least. The display remains the same as the one on the 17 Pro Max, big, flat, and with a special pixel arrangement that balances clarity and power efficiency. Then there's the battery, 6,800 mAh, paired with a 90-watt wide charging and a 15-watt wireless charging. It's not as extreme as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, but it's definitely more than enough. Even though you've probably heard this 1,000 times, I still have to say it. This is the most powerful Xiaomi phone ever, and it's also my favorite Xiaomi phone so far. As far as I know, before 2027 arrives, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is the only smartphone that combines a 1-inch main camera with a telephoto camera comparable of a true optical zoom. Its camera setup takes a completely different path compared to other Ultra models. No matter how the Xiaomi 17 Ultra turns out, this Leica Special Edition delivers more emotional appeal than any other Ultra phone out there. Give me a bit of time and I'll share a real experience with this phone, along with the best looking sample photos during the New Year period. Don't forget to click the bell icon in the bottom right corner so you will be notified as soon as the review goes live. A like would be greatly appreciated as well. I'm Wilfong from China, and we'll see you next time.